Welcome back to my channel, The Knowledge Session. So today we will start with the enterprise structure in SAP S/4HANA Finance. We need to understand what is enterprise structure. Enterprise structure in SAP S/4HANA represent the organization framework of a company in a SAP system. So simply we can understand that enterprise structure represents the framework of the company. Okay, in that structure we maintain the hierarchy, financial reporting hierarchy. This structure includes legal and organizational units such as company code, business area, credit control area, etc. These are the backbone of financial accounting and other modules like controlling, sales and logistics. So we can understand that the enterprise structure is the backbone of the whole SAP system with regards of other modules also. So define company. First step, what we are doing in SAP S/4HANA Finance, or we can say the what we are doing in SAP in the enterprise structure, which is define company. First of all we are defining company in SAP. So what is the role of creation of company in SAP? Company in SAP is the top level organization unit for which you can prepare consolidated financial statement. It can have one or more company codes under it. It means we can understand that what we are defining company. Company means a group of companies where we can create so many company codes under this company. It is defined with a company ID. It's not a code, it's a company ID, and includes basic data such as name, address, country and currency. So we have a path in SPRO: enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting and define company. Okay, next step, we come with the defined company code. So here we have an option for the defined company code. A company code is the smallest organization unit for which a complete set of financial statements, balance sheets, profit and loss statement can be created. It represents a legal entity in SAP. All financial transactions are recorded at the company code level. So here we have a path: enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define, copy, delete, check company code. Here we are creating company code. So I will show you that in a system how we can create a defined company code. So here we can understand that company code is the smallest organization unit where we are doing the financial transactions. Okay, now move forward. We have another option, so that define business area. Define business area. Definition: a business area is an internal organization unit used for segment reporting within financial accounting. It represents areas of responsibilities such as product lines, regions or departments. So we can create business area in our organization unit, okay, for use for the segment reporting. It is not directly tied to a company code. So it means we are not assigning our business area with our company code. Enables parallel financial reporting across company codes. So here we have a path in SPRO: enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting and define business area. That is the same as SAP ECC what we had seen. So we will do these definitions in SAP S/4HANA now. Define credit control area. Definition: a credit control area is an organization unit that controls and monitors customers' credit limits. So here the path is the same for the credit control area too. That is enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting and the defined credit control area. Now here we come with our system. We can see our system. Here we go with the SPRO. Enter and go to SAP reference IMG. Then go to enterprise structure. definition, financial accounting, and now we go with the define company. Okay, and we can also find the T codes. Somehow it is we can find the T codes also. So T code is OX15 for define company. Execute it. Go to new entries. We can check, we can see if there is any different company codes we can create or not. So go to new entries. I am trying to create XYZ 1 2 3. So that is the XYZ group of companies. Here we have an option for the country, which is mainly we are using country IN, language EN, and the currency I am using here INR. Other things you can also maintain it here. Now try to save it. So I am creating one TR for the XYZ. Enter and then save it. So every organization they have a norms to create a organization structure. Okay, so here we are not only creating the company and the group of companies also. Here we have an option of name of company too, where we can create our traditional company, which is we can say that the traditional business going on from the father, from the father, that organization name also we can maintain it here. According to that, according to the company details, we can maintain the street, PO box, postal code, city, all the things we can maintain it here. So now we defined a simple normal group of companies, or we can say the company ID we created in the enterprises structure. Now we go back to our screen. Here we have option for the edit, copy, delete, check company code. T code is OX02. Okay, here we create company code. Execute it. Go to copy, delete, check company code. It's an option for the copy, but we will use the edit, copy, company code data. Here we can create a company code. So go to new entries. I am simply creating one company code, which is XYZ1. I am trying to create it. Okay, XYZ enterprises. Okay, city, I am giving here the country IN, currency INR, and the language EN. And then try to save it. When I'm trying to save it, we can see the address option is also here. So we can edit the address of the organization from where we are doing the financial transaction. So it is mandatory to mention whatever the details we have options for make it mandatory, we can do it. XYZ enterprises. Okay, here we will maintain our country. So it is showing mandatory field. That is the reason we use it. And I'm trying to save it. Let's see what will happen. So it is simply created. So I am not giving any details of PO box number, postal code, anything I'm not giving here. But in a real time, when we are creating any thing related to company codes, we are mentioned all the details regarding the company, which is given by our client. Okay, now we go back to our screen. Now we go to define business area OX03. We understand that it's not part of our company code, but we are not assigning the business area with our company code, and any interviewer even ask you that business area is a part of our company code or not. So business area is not a part of our company codes. We are not assigning business area with our company code directly. Okay, it is not directly linked with our company code. Now we are defining the business area. T code is OX03. Go to new entries. I am creating one area wise business area. So here I am giving XYZ1, and I mentioned for Delhi location, and then save it. I am only creating one business area for the reference that I am creating one business area. In a real time, most of the organizations are using profit center apart than business area, but some of the organizations are also using business area and the profit center. Define credit control area, OB45. Okay, so here we have an option, define credit control area OB45, and here we are executing it. OB45 is our T code. Go to new entries. Okay, so here I am creating one credit control area. It's just simply I am creating credit control area with the XYZ1 and the currency INR, and then save it. Just simply. I am not giving any details regarding FY variant or any risk management, anything I am not giving here now, because we don't have any details, because it's a starting phase of the creation of the company and the company code. Later on we can mention, we can create, we can maintain the risk management, all the things here. Okay, now save it. Now go back to our screen. So we can see that we created define company, define company code and business area and our credit control area. So here we have another option for the assignment. So whatever we had created in the definition, we have to do the assignment. It means assignment, we are doing assignment for the linking up with our company or company ID, company code, and with the company ID. So first option we have, it is assign company code to company. T code is OX16. Okay, execute it. Click on position, search your company code, which I created XYZ1, and here I am assigning XYZ123, which I had created, and then save it. Just simply I do the assignment like this. And now we have an option for the assign company code to credit control area. T code is OB38. Second option, execute it. Click on position, search your company code, give your credit control area. I created credit control area same as our company, so it is easy to do the assignment. So that is the reason I used the same code for the company code and the credit control area. And now we have an option for the assign business area to consolidation business area, but we cannot see any option for the assignment of the company code. So we can understand that business area we are not assigning with our company code. Okay, so that's it for the enterprise structure. Now in the next session we will learn more about in SAP S/4HANA. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.